New Parliament building is finally inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 28th May after the PIL on the same has been dismissed by the Supreme Court of India. लेकिन क्या सिर्फ PIL के डिसमिस होने से ये कंट्रोवर्सी बंद हो गई है? तो इसका जवाब है नहीं. Still, the opposition parties are not happy with the fact that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the new Parliament building instead of the President Draupadi Murmu. 28 मई को we all know कि बहुत ही विधि विधान के साथ न्यू पार्लियामेंट बिल्डिंग का इनॉग्रेशन किया गया और साथ ही प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी ने इस उपलक्ष्य पर कुछ शब्द भी बोले. He described the inauguration of the new parliament building as an immortalized moment in the country's development journey, asserting that it will mark the dawn of a self-reliant and developed India which will also inspire the progress of other nations. Peacock मोटिव से डेकोरेटेड ग्रैंड लोकसभा हॉल में स्पीच देते हुए प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी stated the new parliament building reflected the aspirations and resolve of the new India to set and work towards achieving greater heights. अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी कुछ बोले और उसका रिएक्शन ना मिले, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So today, राज्यसभा MP Kapil Sibal took a dig at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his remark at the new parliament building inauguration. He stated, "Freedom of thought with the aspirational underpinnings of 1.4 billion minds and not bricks and mortar will make his new India." उन्होंने ट्वीट किया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, न्यू पार्लियामेंट बिल्डिंग basis for creation of a new India, not brick and mortar, but freedom of thought with the aspirational underpinnings of 1.4 billion minds, where ideas flourish, colors flash, not saffron fractious intolerant, will make my new India. So, Mr. Sibal is again back with his controversial remarks. He never ceases when it is about expressing his opinions. फिर चाहे वो फॉर्मर लॉ मिनिस्टर किरण रिजिजू को लेकर हो या फिर इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी को, कपिल सिब्बल इज ऑलवेज रेडी टू एक्सप्रेस व्हाट ही फील्स. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, he was a union minister during the UPA 1 and UPA 2 governments. He quitted Congress in May last year and was elected to the Rajya Sabha as an independent member with the Samajwadi Party support. उन्होंने recently अपना एक non-electoral portal भी लॉन्च किया है with the name इंसाफ, aimed at fighting injustice. So, आपका क्या कहना है कपिल सिब्बल के इस ट्वीट के बारे में? Do let us know and keep following Law Chakra for more news and updates.